2019 Toyota 86 Special Edition, 2019 Toyota 86 Concept, new Toyota 86 2019 to 2019 Toyota 86 TRD, buy new cars. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming from Toyota brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Toyota 86 Special Edition, 2019 Toyota 86 Concept, new Toyota 86 2019 to 2019 Toyota 86 TRD, buy new cars. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Toyota 86 Special Edition, 2019 Toyota 86 Concept, new Toyota 86 2019 to 2019 Toyota 86 TRD, buy new cars. 2019 GT86 are practically sure the present substantial sports activities vehicles all using the Automobile Association. The critical component of this version was enabled out in 2012. The moderate size automobile is a standout amongst one of several most reliable marketing automobiles in Toyota. What's significantly much more, although but again, the auto revealed up. The probability the vehicle will get a couple of drinks. Within the moment, the auto designer has reprogrammed the Toyota GT86 to create far more well-known and loved. Also, the automobile could have a single more appears new factors, new waiver, and significantly much more. The entire update on the auto may be manufactured within the most current understanding that is TNGA stage. Customers will visualize it by obtaining a modify within the correct sunlight-dependent bodyboard. As instantaneously as obtainable, the 2019 Toyota GT86 will most likely be appeared inside the automobile marketplace to handle necessarily the most rewarding adversaries. 2019 Toyota GT86 release date and price. Superb high-quality info is turning into revealed by Toyota in regards around the 2019 Toyota 86, however, the release date will not be a facet of that. Even so, carry out recognize that Toyota wants to discharge the 86 speedily sufficient for the 2019 design 12 months, so foresee experiencing it by way of the showrooms preceding as an outcome of 2017. It does not matter what acquiring into a comparatively no competing marketplace. We think the Toyota GT86 price/Subaru design will possibly be posted even though inside the fewer component, pondering around the dynamics of one's car anticipate paying out of your place of $27,000 for the basic version. 2019 Toyota GT86 redesign exterior review. The spot from the passage could potentially be significantly far more centered. As much as that, the 2019 Toyota GT86 has not been lately enhanced by utilizing a reinforced support framework almost everything also deemed saxpad. Direct sunlight light-centered bodyboard will most likely be redesigned via the usage of a restyled hood. Also, the front side component from the prior 2018 Toyota 86 GT is aside from completed employing the new bumper, a lot more considerable reduce a barbecue fire grill, new prime lighting fixtures, and moreover other men and women. A fresh appear within the exterior is almost undoubtedly planning to make new GT86 drastically safer and smoother than the preceding. Lighter in weight goods will likely be included along with decreasing total physique fat. 2019 Toyota GT86 redesign interior specs. Shifting towards the interior portion also receives a significantly higher progression. For that driver while in the automobile, the inventor will offer you a new vitality manage. You are going almost undoubtedly to be remarkably responsive and have sufficient ranking. The dashboard is possible to become delicious flavor and streamlined. To generate outstanding insignificant innovations breaking up producing use of 2019 Toyota GT86, the auto seats will practically surely be resolved collectively together with the quite most important character on the skin place untamed lifestyle. Likewise, the automated chairs are possibly for being passed just before. The certain edition of Toyota 86 will take the GT86's rightful, hold track of analyzed tending to and supports it with added execution development. We have also integrated an outstanding and eyesight-getting trend for the specific model of 86 to appear in the event you finish, way also. Fans using the Toyota 86 will want this with their garage. 2019 Toyota GT86 engine and performance. You will find no acknowledged particulars from the 2019 Toyota GT86 carmaker concerning the first performance of the new GT86 model. The extroverted design of the GT86 model is driven by a 2.0-liter 4-tube engine. The device is capable of generating 250 horsepower. Also, the engine will probably be turned with a 6-speed original transmission. The power will practicable be transferred to rear tires flip. Chance, the extended phrase 2019 Toyota GT86 can possess the quite same engine. Nonetheless, The rumor mentions that the newest auto will get to velocity from to 60 miles per hour inside just 6.8 secs. Toyota GT86 will obtain higher performance. It delivers you less in the fuel financial method and added a fractional CO2 emission. Compared to the previous model, the most recent Toyota GT86 are often far more productive around the highway along with inside the city. Thanks.